Who is a flying ghost? And who is a skeleton?
Skeleton. I think Harshil is because his screen, his background look like that.
And who is a flying ghost? Gosh.
Nobody, I think.
No. Mustafa, I think. Why he is a flying ghost? He fly.
Oh, flying ghost. Mustafa is. And I am a witch. Who is your witch? Tell me. I'm only a witch. And nobody else is. I think.
Who is a sticky slime?
What?
Who is a sticky slime?
They are only talking to me.
Slime. Oh no, look at sticky, melty
She's
slime.
not crying. She has maybe put powder. Or the sunlight has made it white. Look, my background is full dark.
Too scared.
I'm not scared.
Okay, kiddos. Are you all ready?
Yes, Shazia ma'am.
Yes, we are ready. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
But there are few kids to join in, right?
Flying ghost.
Yes.
Ali, you have not dressed up, Ali.
I am dressed up.
Oh, acha. Okay. Ali, sit. I can see that. And who else to join in? My Musfira Sayyed is there. Hashir is there. Ali is there. Zainab, Musfira, Khatija, Mustafa is joining in. Okay, my goodness.
I've joined, ma'am.
Okay, who else is left?
Okay.
Manha is left.
Ready.
Oh my God, who is scared?
I'm not scared, but look at me.
Yes, I can see that you are not scared.
My gosh.
Come on. Ali, what's that?
We'll wait for one more minute and then we will start, okay? Okay, Manha has also joined in.
Ma'am, show yourself.
Yes, I will come. Wait, oh, Mustafa is also ready. Okay.
Please,
Okay.
please.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes,
Ma'am,
I
can
can
you
see
see?
you. And I want you all to introduce it later on, not now. Who else is left? Who is missing? Manha has joined in. Who else is left?
Oh, yes.
Umar, yes. Umar is left. Okay.
Musfira Sayyed.
Musfira Sayyed is already there. Musfira Sayyed is there. Okay, we'll just wait or we can start.
You can start, ma'am.
Okay. Because it's already 11:20, I should start, okay? Yes. Oh, Mustafa, I can see you.
Ma'am, show yourself. Yay!
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't
You
see.
did not see me. Now can you see me? Now I have got all my kids with me. Yes?
Yes.
Do you know who I am?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
No, I'm not Shazia ma'am.
He's talking about what ghost is, है ना?
No, but I am really scared of one person. Do you know that?
Oh, mama.
No, my mom. Oh my goodness, there are so many ghosts over here. There's Musfira Rizwani. Oh no, I'm really scared.
Mustafa is an artist. What?
my God,
Shivani?
I'm really scared. But
How
yes,
about me? How about me?
yes, I'm scared of you, Musfira Syed. But I am the queen. I can eat everyone.
Queen not.
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? My name is
Yes.
Casperine. Oh my goodness, I
What?
can see Khatija. Oh no. Khatija, even you are looking very scary. Can we laugh? Can we laugh? Can we have a laugh? A big loud laugh. Ha ha ha. Okay, Hashir, even you can laugh with us. Hashir,
Light बंद करो ना
laugh. Hashir, laugh
लाइट
out
बंद करो
loud.
ना अम्मी
Ha 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 ha.
लाइट
Okay. 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 First, I will go. I will
I must
introduce
look
myself.
very
Who am I? Do you know who am I? Do you want to know?
Yes.
So my name is Casperine. And do you know I'm sister of Casper? Have you seen that movie Casper? Have you seen that movie Casper?
Yes.
Yes, he's a white ghost, and I am Casperine. I am Casper's sister. I'm a black ghost. He's a very friendly ghost, and he loves kids. Even I am not friendly. But there's one similarity between Casper and me. Do you know that? What is that similarity? We both love kids. We both love kids. Mm, I love kids. I love everyone.
You love to eat it.
Yes, I love them in a different way. Do you know that? Okay, let's see a video of Casper, my brother. Are you ready to see the video?
Yes.
Laugh then,
Yes.
laugh. Ha 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 ha. Okay, okay. We'll see the video first.
Let's see the video. He's not scared anymore.
Just let me show you my video.
I'm that zombie. I thought.
Can you see my video? Kiddos?
Yes.
Mute yourself.
Everybody mute.
Mute yourself.
You are just saying.
Okay. Did you see my brother Casper?
No, I didn't. But your brother is your brother, Jasper.
Yes.
There
He's
were
a-
3 ghosts.
Yes, but they are not my brother. My brother name is Casper, the little boy who's very good. But I'm not so good. Okay. Okay, but I want to see
is looking so funny.
who's looking so funny.
You, ma'am.
I am looking.
Yes.
Zainab is looking funny. Yes, she's looking funny. She's a funny girl. You all are funny. Yes, Khatija, you look scary. Mana looks very
Look
scary.
at my background.
Musfira looks very scary. I am a scary ghost. Yes, Musfira, I can see you. Mustafa, you are not looking scary at all, Mustafa.
No.
Why, Mustafa?
Not.
Okay, okay. I will give everyone a chance to show you how scary y'all are, okay? Are you ready?
Why, Mustafa? Why you're not doing? Why you're not?
Hey, Hashir, why did you? Something is going to happen. Something. Okay, the light has become bright now. Okay, Hashir. Hashir, why did you change your dress, Hashir? Okay, not a problem, Hashir. It's all right. Now you all have to prove that you all are really, really scary. Okay? So everybody is ready. Is everyone ready? Let's see who's the most scariest ghost of all. Okay? I think I am the most scariest. But let's see. Let's see who is the most scariest. Okay? Are you ready? So I have a chit. I have a chit over here and I will call out the name and they have to introduce themselves. Okay? They have to introduce themselves and they have to prove that they are the scariest ghosts of all. And then you have a nice assessment. Okay? Okay? Everyone has to prove themselves that they are the scariest and then I will show them some flashcards. I will show them flashcards and they have to explain me that. Okay, so it's a really, really scary day. It's an assessment day, okay? Yes?
It looks like today is Halloween.
Oh, it's not Halloween. It's an assessment day. Ha ha ha.
I know, but it looks like it is.
Oh, we are not celebrating Halloween today. Okay, so who is the first? Oh!
Ma'am, can I be the first?
No, we will go according to the chit, Mustafa. And you can come out of your blanket, Mustafa. So the chit is...
Why I like in here?
No, you have to see me. Otherwise, you'll not get scared. It's Musfira Sayyed. Musfira, you are going first. So prove it to me that you are the scariest one.
I am the scariest one because I have magic and I make potions. And I have a magic wand. If without this magic wand I can't do anything, and with this magic wand I am the spookiest one.
No, I will steal that wand, Musfira.
You can't steal my wand because it's mine and I'll be always strong with it.
Okay, now I'm going
can
to
put
And I'm the
protection on
spookiest
it.
one because I can change anything. And if I buy someone, they'll also become rich.
Okay. And one more thing, the kiddos, I want you all to do is, first she introduced, Musfira introduced, and then after that, I will show you the flashcard. You have to explain me those flashcards, and then you have to vote for your friends. Okay, how did you like the entire performance? So if you really like the performance, then you have to give me 2 thumbs up. Okay, you have to just show 2 thumbs up. If you think that it is good, it's nice. So then you have to show me 1 thumbs up. And if you feel that she needs improvement, then you have to show me like this. Okay, understood? Everyone? Everyone? You didn't understood? Hashir, you didn't get it? Yes? Can we start? Okay, Musfira, I heard your introduction and I liked it. I liked your word. Your nails are also pointy. Okay. So now I'm going to scare you with my assessment. Okay. So this is your flashcard. Here it goes.
I can't see the screen.
I'll show you the screen. Okay. Can you see the screen, Musfira?
Yes.
Okay. Musfira? Sorry. I'm so sorry. This I will ask you in the end. Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen, Musfira Sayyed?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
We are done with light and darkness.
Oh, that was only a mock lesson. Musfira, now you have to choose any one flashcard. Either sun, shadow or moon. Okay. And you have to relate it to light and dark. And you have to tell me. Which flashcard you are choosing, Musfira?
Shadow.
Shadow. Okay. Tell me, go ahead with the shadow. You can tell me anything about shadow, which we have learned.
Shadow shadow is formed in light. If somewhere is light and you are front of that, then the shadow forms.
And
I am a real
And the
one more thing about shadow.
Shadow is very dark, and when we on the light, shadow is formed. When you off the light, shadow is not there because the shadow is dark.
Okay, Musfira. Well done, Musfira. I want everyone to vote Musfira. Tell me, how was the performance? Okay, Umaima is tired. Umaima, are you tired? Before your performance, Umaima. So please sit straight. Umaima, please sit straight. I don't think so we will get tired. Okay, everybody is giving you thumbs up, Musfira. Thumbs up. Very well done. Good. Where is Umar? Where is Umar? Umar is busy fighting on its own, Umar. Oh, who is this Mini Joker? Mini Joker, come to the screen, Mini Joker.
Where's Mini Joker?
Come to the screen. Who is this Mini Joker? Okay, then who is next? Who is going to perform next? Where is Khatija? I can't see Khatija.
Mini Joker.
Oh, Mini Joker. Who is that? I want to see your
Mini
screen.
Joker.
What is the GDR?
GDR? What is GDR, Umar? Okay, who is next? Oh,
Who is Mini Joker?
Hashir. It's your turn, Hashir. It's your turn. Okay, Hashir, you have to introduce yourself. Who are you? And are you more scarier than me? Come on, Hashir. It's your stage. Come on, go ahead, Hashir. Hashir, go ahead. Hashir, we all are waiting for you. Okay, Mini Joker, wait for your turn, Mini Joker, wait. Hashir, go ahead, Hashir, we are all waiting for your performance. Yes, Hashir, what did you say? Everyone, please mute yourself. I want to hear Hashir.
I am a dove.
Okay, Hashir, go ahead.
Hi, teacher.
Hashir, go ahead.
Ma'am, but who is Mini Joker?
She is my little Khatija. Hashir, do you want to introduce yourself as one of the scary character? Hashir?
See the background.
Yes, I can see the background. It is very scary.
I know. If someone want to be a girl scary so they can be a Harley Quinn.
Okay, Umar, I will come back to you. Hashir, okay, if you don't want to introduce yourself, it's fine with me. Can we see the assessment, Hashir? Can I scare you now with the assessment? Yes? Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen now, Hashir?
Yes.
Okay, Hashir. This is your screen, Hashir. You have to choose from this. There is a person who is blindfolded. There is a candle and there is a transparent bottle. You can choose any of this and you can speak about it.
A candle.
Okay, the Hashir has chosen candle. Okay, Hashir, go ahead.
Candle is not in that status.
Yes, Hashir, go ahead, Hashir. We are listening.
And what if we have attended it is scary.
Hashir, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, Hashir. Okay, Hashir. That's fine. That's okay with me. Okay, who is ready to go next? Who is ready to go next? Let's see. Okay. Mini Joker! Please show your screen, Mini Joker. Manha, I'm really scared of you, Manha. Mini Joker. Please turn on your screen, Mini Joker. It's Khatija. Khatija, it's your turn. And Umayma, please turn on your screen, Ummi. Ummi, I know you are
1
scared
minute.
of me. I know you are scared of me.
1 minute. 1 minute.
I know you are very scared of me. That is why you turn off the screen. Don't be scared.
I'm not scared of you.
I will eat you all in the end. Don't worry.
Mustafa the flying ghost.
You can't eat because we are in
Khatija, I think so.
online.
Khatija is not there.
Screen.
Khatija, we will come back to you later. We will see who is next. Okay, this is. Oh my goodness. Can you read the name? Can you read the name? It's Manha. Manha, show your face and please introduce yourself, Manha.
Ha.
And Umar, zombie, please come back, Umar. We want you on the screen. Yes, Umar.
I am Annabella.
Yes.
And I will eat all of these kids alive.
Blah blah blah.
Who said blah, blah, blah?
Not so scary. I will eat pizza.
Manha, go ahead. It is only Manha's turn. Let Manha speak. Yes, Manha.
I will eat. Man, I eat pizza.
Wait, Manha. Musfira, this is not your turn. Let Manha speak.
I will eat all of kids alive.
I cannot see
The ghosts, the scariest ghosts are like that only. You can't see them. You can't see them, Ali. Okay, Manha,
I can
are you
see her.
ready? Manha, are you ready for the assessment or your introduction is left?
No.
Okay. Okay, Manha. Wait for your screen. Okay, Manha, this is your screen. Manha, you have 3 options. One is candle, mirror, and foil. You can choose any one, Manha. Manha, which one do you choose?
Mirror.
Mirror. Okay, Manha. Okay, Manha, go ahead and speak about mirror.
Mirror is mirror reflect
Okay.
and we see because when we see in mirror because when a mirror when mirror bounces through light and comes in our eyes.
Very good. Manha, is mirror a source of light, Manha?
No.
No. Very good. Well done. Kiddos, how much points do you give it to Manha? I feel she's very, very scary. Tell me. Oh, Mustafa has given two thumbs up. Yes, Mustafa. Okay. We really
also two thumbs up. I'm holding one, so my also two thumbs up. I can
Okay.
just do one because do one.
Umar, I want to see. Please vote for Manha. Umar, I want to see. Did you like a performance? And Umar, why do you go out of the screen? I can't see. Okay, Khatija, Musfira Sayed, please show me. Okay, Zainab has also given two points. Very, very happy for you, Manha. I think so. You deserve that, Manha. You are looking really scary today. Okay, even I am little scared, not much. Okay, okay. Now who is the next? Let's see. Oh, you have not heard. Why did you go away? Manha, please show me your scary laugh. Manha. Yes, Manha. Okay, who is next? Who is next? Umar. Umar, please come back to the screen. Umar, it is your turn.
Yes.
Yes, Umar, please speak.
My name is Umar the Zombie Master.
Okay.
I can talk and I am the king of the zombies.
Zombies, you're the king of the zombies. Oh, baapre. Go ahead.
No, I am the most. I can fight also, and I am flexible.
But Umar, zombies don't walk like this. They walk like this, like this, like this.
No, I am not the zombie.
Yes. Then you said you are the zombie king.
But I don't work like zombie. I am not like zombies.
Okay, okay. Zumar, can I scare you with the assessment? Umar, can I show you the flashcard?
He does not look like a zombie. I look like a zombie.
Umayma, you are a Dracula in How to Transformania. And I am Dracula's brother.
Okay, Umar. Umar.
Yes.
Okay, this is your screen, Umar. Can you see? This is your screen, Umar. You have torch, you have lightning, you have fennec fox. Which one do you choose, Umar?
Lightning.
Okay, you choose lightning. Okay, Umar, go ahead with the
He
lightning.
also has plants.
Yes. Oh no, who is that scary? Oh my goodness.
Are dangerous. And they can.
Wait, Umar, wait. There's a surprise element. Wait, Umar. Who is it, Umar? Tell me. He's not looking scary. Actually, he's looking very funny. Yes. What do you think? He's looking... Both are looking very funny. Yes, they are not looking scary at all. Ha 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 ha.
Yes.
As Dawood, we can't hear you. Ha 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 ha. Yes. There's nothing in front of us. Okay, Umar. Umar, you can go ahead with lightning.
Lightning can burn trees and anything. It can burn cars. And it is very dangerous. You cannot read newspaper because the newspaper can be damaged or the man can.
Okay, Umar, tell me one more thing about lightning, Umar.
Where are you, Manha?
Lightning very dangerous and it.
No, Umar, how fast lightning travels? Can you tell me about that, Umar?
3 0 0 0 0 0
It travels only in straight.
How fast lightning
I
travels?
know how much. I know how much.
I don't want the numbers. I don't want the numbers, but tell me, is lightning, does light travel very fast? Umar? Oh my goodness. Look at this Dawood uncle.
0 0 0 0.
I think so Mustafa is not going to sleep today. And look at Manha, the
No.
way she's flickering the
No.
light. And
No.
where is my Musfira Sayyed?
Okay, can I
Nice.
everybody on screen? Can we shot first? Umar,
Umar, come back to the screen, Umar. Dawood, your voice is really low.
screenshot. Everybody come. One.
Musfira Rizwani, I want to see your face, Musfira. Musfira, come. Musfira, show your face. Show your little face.
Come.
No. I don't show my face.
Musfira, we are taking a picture. Musfira, I want you to see. I want to see your scary face. Oh my goodness. My goodness.
Wait, she is looking so funny. Zainab is looking so funny.
Musfira Sayyed, show a scary face.
Umar, what's yours? I can't see you.
Anna. Ali, come back to the screen. Ali, I want to see your scary face.
No.
Put your business down.
My goodness. Just look. You take the picture, Dawood.
I can make
Umar, please come back to the screen, Umar. Okay, Umar. This is nice.
Thank you, Jazia ma'am.
Thank you.
Wow, those posters are so scary.
Oh no, my goodness. Okay, Umar, Umar, come back to the screen, Umar. Okay, so Umar, you are done. So just tell me how light travels, or like, just tell me, like, how fast light can travel.
it can travel very fast. Then
Okay, Umar, we'll leave you over here. Then who is next?
First, I
Manha,
don't
please
show
don't
my
scare me, Manha. I'm really scared.
what?
Can you see Manha and Musfira Rizwani? She's looking really scary. Okay, Khatija, you were speaking something. Okay, whose name is this? Oh my
Ali.
goodness. Ali. Okay, we did not vote for Umar. How was Umar's performance? Umar, please come back. Okay. Everybody gave 2 thumbs up. Umar, do you want to see? Okay, Mustafa is saying you need improvement. Okay, everybody's showing 2 thumbs up to you, Umar. Well done. But Umar, you are not scarier than me, Umar.
Not me too.
Okay. We'll move on to Ali. Ali, it is your turn.
I can make a scary.
Okay, Ali, go ahead. Perform quickly.
I am a zombie. I can make everyone a zombie. I will eat everyone and make everyone a zombie.
By eating everyone.
Zombie king. Done. Ali, you are a wizard. Wow.
Wow.
Okay, Ali. Okay, very well performed, Ali. Very good.
Lizard, lizard.
Very nice. Now, are you ready for my assessment, Ali?
Yes.
Okay. So here we go, Ali. Yes. Okay, this is your slide, Ali. Can you see? You have shadow, you have bulk, and you have bullet range, Ali. Which one do you choose, Ali?
Shadow.
Okay, shadow. Okay, Ali. Tell me, what do you know about shadow?
We can make shadow only for light. How the shadow makes object will be have light, then the shadow will make.
Okay.
Shadow not come in a dark space. Only
Okay.
and there is a morning. Shadow come only in the morning.
Ma'am,
Okay. Okay, Mustafa, very well. Okay. How much points do we give to Ali?
ma'am,
Okay, Zainab is
Can I
1
wa-
thumbs up. Mustafa 2 thumbs up. Okay. Khatija, can we vote for Ali? Khatija, you were not there when I was. Yes, Musfira Sayyed.
can I wash my face, please?
Okay, you can go ahead and wash your face. Okay. Yes, yes. So everybody is giving you 2 thumbs up, Ali. Very nice, very well performed. Very good.
I'm giving
Okay.
one thumb.
Oh, you're giving 1 thumbs up. Okay, that's all right, but you performed very well. Khatija, I was calling out your name, but you were not there. So, okay, are you ready to scare us? Okay, go ahead, Khatija. First, you need to scare us. Let me see how scary you are. Ha, 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 ha.
Oh, what is her name?
Khatija, I can't hear you again. Khatija, can you speak? Yes. No, can we hear Khatija?
No. No.
No, we can't hear you, Khatija. I'm so sorry. Okay, just do
Abhiya, just
some.
make faces. Make
Yes.
faces. It's a
Try to
smiley ghost.
scare us. Oh, it's a smiley ghost. Ah, she always smiles, I think so. You're a smiley ghost, Khatija?
You never you are not a scary ghost.
Okay. Okay, Khatija, listen. I will show you a slide. Can you write it for me? Can you write it? Choose one flashcard and you have to write your answers over there. Is it all right? Who is that?
Sorry.
It's goose.
It's okay.
It's goose.
Okay, everybody, I have a request for you. Can you please take Shazia ma'am for today? I can't stay with her. Mustafa, can I send Shazia ma'am to your home? Please. She's so
Me.
Yeah,
I
Mana,
can't
I'll
sleep
send-
with Shazia ma'am.
Neither can I. Mana, please take Shazia ma'am. I don't want her today.
I will also keep her.
Umema, will you take her?
But I'm really bad in the night.
I will take her.
Okay, Khatija, this is your screen, Khatija. This is your screen. You have to choose any one. You have to choose any one flashcard and you have to speak about it. Can you write for me, Khatija? Okay. Yes? Okay. We'll move ahead, okay? Khatija, till that time you have to write for me. Okay, Khatija? Done? And this is an assessment. You all are going to get marks. So I'm giving you all marks over here. Okay? Yes? Who is the next? Let me check. Khatija, till that time you have to write for me. Who is next? Okay, now. Okay, Zainab. It's Zainab's turn. Zainab, show it to us how scary you are, Zainab. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Empire, and I can, if I eat somebody, they will also become a vampire. I'm really scared of
Please mute
onions.
yourself, everyone. Zainab, are you done with your introduction, Zainab?
No,
Tell me, go ahead.
I am really scared of onions, and I don't like onions. And whoever I eat, they will become a vampire.
Oh my God, you are blood-sucking vampire, Zainab. Yes? Okay, well done, well performed. But you're scared of onion, Zainab. It's okay. I will show you onion and you will run away. Okay, Zainab, I will now share my screen to scare you, okay? Now see my screen carefully, Zainab. Okay, this is your... you're done with this. Okay, this is your screen. Zainab, can you see this? Wait. This is your screen. This is straight arrow. There's a blind fish and there is a volcano.
Cavefish.
Cavefish. Okay. So Zainab has chose cavefish. Zainab, go ahead and tell me about something about cavefish.
Cavefish can't see, it doesn't have eyes because it lives in the dark places, so it doesn't need eyes.
Okay. And what else?
And we have to go really under to see that fish.
Okay. How does light travel, Zainab?
Light travels in a straight line.
Okay, very good. Very nice. So how are we going to vote Zainab? Quickly. How did you like her performance? Hashir, how did you like the performance? Okay, Mana is giving thumbs up. Okay. Good, very well done. Very well. Hashir is giving 2 thumbs up.
I'm only giving 1 thumbs up.
Okay, Mustafa is going to give you only 1 thumbs up, Zainab. It's okay.
I gave you 2. Kathy gave you 2.
You're scared of onion.
I give you 2.
Zainab, you're scared of onion. Zainab, I'll show you onion. Okay, now who's next? Who is my next?
I give 1.
Okay, everybody, we will go to Mustafa's house in the night. Okay, all are.
Mommy!
Mustafa, we are coming today to your home.
Okay, who is next? Oh no, this is Mustafa. Let's see how Mustafa is going to perform. Mustafa, turn off the screen. Mustafa, are you so scared of us? Mustafa.
I have to get ready.
Wait, now you're going to get ready. Okay, we'll wait for you, Mustafa. We'll wait for you. But do it quick. We don't have time, Mustafa.
Yeah, Shazia ma'am, go to the next one. And anyway, there is no class after this, and this is the last class until, so you can go to next one.
Okay, now let's...
I'm dressed up.
Okay, he's ready. He's ready. Okay, he's ready. Okay, Mustafa, turn on your screen quickly.
Ha ha ha. I am the flying ghost. I fly and eat you all kids. Ha ha ha. Then
Awesome!
Good, Mustafa. You can fly. Now, are you ready? Are you ready? I will
Yes.
scare you with my assessment.
yes.
Okay, so be ready to see the flashcard. Okay. Mustafa, can you see this? Mustafa,
Yes.
there is a coin,
Yes.
there is a bat, and there is a moon. Which one do you choose, Mustafa? It's Mustafa's turn. Mustafa, quickly.
Bat.
Okay, Mustafa
Bat.
has chose bat.
Hey!
Yes, Mustafa, go ahead.
Bat is a nocturnal animal. It can do echolocation to find its prey, and the echolocation shows it how big it is, where it is.
Okay. Anything
Done.
else, Mustafa?
Mm,
Okay.
it
Okay.
has very sharp eyes.
Okay. I showed you 3 objects, like, right? Mustafa, what are those 3 objects, like, from wherein the light can pass and cannot pass? I'll just give you a clue. It's opaque, and then you have to tell me 2 more. Opaque?
I didn't understand what you said.
Okay. So there are three kind of materials, different types of material through which I showed you, like, the light can pass through or light cannot pass through. Tell me two more.
When is the class going to end?
Wait, we have one more left. Then we will end the session, and after that you don't have class. You have 5 days holiday.
Oh.
We're coming back next Wednesday.
But ma'am, mine is not done.
What happened? Yeah, Umayma, you are left. Umayma, you are left. I will not leave the class without you, Umayma. Wait. Okay, Mustafa, did you understand my question? Yes, Musfira Rizwan is also left. Yes. Okay, Mustafa, tell me the different types of material.
Two were coins and one was bat.
No, Mustafa, one is opaque object. What are the other two objects? What are they called as?
As
Opaque?
transparent.
Yes,
Transparent
and one more?
and translucent.
Okay, very well done. Good, Mustafa, good. And now who is next? Who is next? Okay, let's check. This is Musfira Rizwani. Musfira Rizwani, now show yourself. We are waiting for your face, Musfira. Musfira Rizwani. Oh no! Yes, Musfira. How scary you are. Try to scare us, Musfira.
Not so. I like to hear people scared. People scream.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not screaming. I am here to scare you.
Right,
Introduce
good.
yourself.
Okay, she already introduced Mustafa. She already introduced herself and she introduced very well. Musfira, you are looking really
Who
scary.
is he?
Really
Who
scary.
is he?
But Musfira, what is your name? Who are
That's
you?
what I was.
Yes, Musfira.
Malik.
Malik. She's from Conjuring. Yes, Musfira?
Yes.
It's a very scary movie. Mustafa, you should not watch, okay? Okay, so are you ready for my assessment, Musfira?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to her.
It was another picture, not this one.
No, not this one. Yes, this one. Musfira, this is for you. There's sun, there's lightning, and there's owl.
Ma'am, that's my virtual background. Lightning. That
Yes,
virtual background
Mustafa.
is sun. Ma'am.
Okay, so Musfira has already chose sun. So please be muted. Musfira is going to speak. Musfira, speak.
Sun gave us light.
Okay.
And she gave a dark light.
Sun gives us dark light, Musfira.
Yes.
Okay, what else?
And we close
Yes, Musfira, go ahead. We are listening.
we close our light. Then sun gave our light. Morning, sun gave our light.
Okay, in the morning we get
Natural
light
light.
from sun. Yes, okay. And it's a
Natural light.
very good, Musfira. It's a natural source of light. Very nice. Now who is left? Who is left? Quickly tell me.
Do the voting.
Yes, we did not do the voting. Yes, thank you, Zaina, for reminding me. Please vote for Musfira. Please vote for Musfira quickly. Musfira, Mustafa.
What he is doing?
Okay. Musfira Sayyed has given you two hands up. Zainab has given you 2 hands up. Ali, I can't see you. Ali, please quickly give. voting to
Musfira
Musfira.
Rizwani, you are little bit.
Thank you, Mustafa. You are my
good,
friend.
But you still it
I
was
will-
good.
Yes, it was good. Very good. Mustafa, I will come to you in the night. Okay, Mustafa? You are my friend. Now you have become my friend.
We want to do in the last period.
Zainab is
Okay.
my friend.
Not with
That's
your
why
boss.
Zainab gave 2 thumbs up.
Okay.
Razia ma'am.
Yes, Manha. Abhina, Umayma. Only Umayma is left. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes,
Can
yes.
everybody mute?
Yes.
Can everybody mute?
Everyone, please mute. We will talk after Umayma's performance. Yes, thank you, Musfira Sayyed. After this, yes, Musfira Rizwani, I can see you now clearly. Zainab, sorry, Umayma, it is your performance. Please, everybody, mute. Umayma is going to perform.
Last but not the least, the main ghost, Chappy. I am going to kill you, and I'm going to eat you. And when I kill you, you will be again the ghost, and I'm the head of every ghost.
Who are you? Umayma?
I am Chappy.
Yeah, what was Chappy?
I like your
Yes.
name, Umayma. I like your name.
Thank you.
Your name is Jasper. What's your name?
Umayma, are you
Yes.
ready for my assessment to get scared?
What's your name?
Yes, but I don't be scared.
Okay, let's see.
It is.
Wait.
This one. This picture like me, Shazia ma'am.
Yes. Umayma, can you see? Oh, this we already did, right? Yes, this one. Umayma, can you see the
Yes.
flashcards?
Yes.
You have to choose any one. Did you?
And
Which one you are choosing, Umayma?
sunglass.
Sunglasses.
Sunglass.
Okay. We will listen to Umayma. Umayma, speak up about sunglasses.
We wear sunglasses to protect our eyes from sun. Sunglasses are their glasses are black in color to protect the eyes with the sun. And we wear it. Sometimes we even wear it for fashion. Thank you.
Oh, very nice, Umayma. Yes, Manha. Yes.
Tell everybody to mute.
Yes, but we already heard Umayma. She did it very well. Umayma,
Background music.
Yes.
Background.
can I ask you something?
Ma'am,
Can you
I
tell-
guess.
Wait. Let me ask her a question. Wait. Umayma, what are the 2 artificial source of light? Umayma?
1 minute.
Where did Umayma go? Where did Chappy go?
Chappy?
Can't see. Her name is Chappy, right? Yes, Umayma. Can you tell me 2 artificial source of light?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
The natural source of light is
No natural,
Sun.
artificial.
is man-made source of light.
Yes. But give me 2 examples. Me?
2 examples: torch, tube bulb, street lights,
Okay.
and
आपको बताना है
Very good. How much scores we are going to give Ummi? Quickly. Show me your signs. Oh, wow. Very nice.
torch is artificial source of light.
Yes. Very nice. Umayma already told me.
I give 3 thumbs up.
The time is very late.
Yes. Umar, after that we are going, Umar. We have 5 days
Ma'am.
holiday we can enjoy. Okay?
Ma'am, I give 3 thumbs up.
Wow, 3 thumbs up. Umaima, Mustafa gave you 3 thumbs up. Okay.
She
Umaima,
already left.
wow, very nice. Well done. Everybody did a very, very good job. I really enjoyed with all my ghosts. Oh my God. So can we show
My
our
3
happy
thumbs
face
up.
and then we'll leave the meeting? Okay. Okay.
You call me You call me
Belen, quickly show your scary face. I really enjoyed with all of you. Tata. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Important announcement. We don't have fitness class today. And Eid Mubarak to you all in advance. Okay?
Bye.
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 Bye bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Ma'am, Ghost even celebrates Eid.
They celebrate Eid. Yes, we are going to celebrate. Bye bye. And don't be scared in the night. Okay? Don't trouble your mummy. Otherwise, your mummy is going to call me. Okay? Bye bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.